Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 20-volt cordless multi-tool from Parkside, the model PKGA 20 Li-D2 with battery with charger, 3-in-1, drill driver, reciprocating saw and multi-purpose tool. One drill driver attachment and 2-speed gearbox with rotation speed ranges from 0 to 400 rpm and from 0 to 1350 rpm. Reciprocating saw attachment, number of stroke from 0 to 3200 SPM, multi-purpose tool attachment, vibration speed from 0 to 20,000 RPM, accessories included, battery and charger, compatible with all 20-volt Team Series rechargeable batteries, cell balancing, longer battery life, increased lifespan of the battery, Li-ion technology with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice case, green and black. Some accessories. Drill bits, total 6 on a different length and sizes for metal. Screw bits with extension, magnetic extension, "20-volt battery, 2 ampere hours. This is the new battery from Parkside. Release button, the button to check the battery capacity, red, orange and green. When it is on green, that means it's fully charged. 20 volt, 2 ampere hours, 40 watt hours. And of course we have the charger, new charger, with a cable length 1.5 meters. Indicator here, just slide, it locks. Output 21 volt 1 amp. Compare it with the other two Parkside chargers. This one, it is the regular 2.4 amps and the fast charger 4.5 amps. So this charger, it is slower compared to these two chargers. And of course just plug it in. Green light, we can see here, is flashing. Same in here, is flashing slowly orange. That means it's charging. When it goes to solid green, it's fully charged. Definitely I will fully charge it and then start the test. The trigger, the rotation left and right, magnets left and right here for the screw bits. Very strong magnet, I like it. The release button for the attachment. This is the drill attachment. And here you can adjust for drilling or screw from 1 to 19. Second year, first year. Second year it goes faster. Keyless chuck, metal, I like that. With a drill chuck aperture. You can use the extension. Screw bits, magnetic. or you can use one of these drill bits for metal, wood, you name it. Very easy to release the attachment and replace it. You can use the multi-function tool and it locks. The release switch, just pull, and here you can install this saw blade. It is for wood and it locks. So easy. You can adjust here this screw, the tension, the scraper. Same that, you can install that here. Or this attachment, the sander, sand discs, P120, P60, P80, P60, and it is very easy to install, alignment with the holes. soft elements around, I like it. Very friendly to my palm. And here protects the trigger. I like the new design for the battery. And next we have the saber saw attachment. For metal and wood. Pull this lever and it locks. Metal plate at the front. Or you can use for metal.